Okay, hey, these are the streets of Rome. We're right outside of the Vatican, so guess what just happened? So, we're at this restaurant called Cacio e Pepe, which actually translates to cheese and pepper, which I just found out recently. And we order Cacio e Pepe because we figure it's called that, you should get it there. So we have our meal, everything's fine and fancy. I'm gonna give her the Reader's Digest version. After we finish, Selena goes to the bathroom, and I noticed that everyone had been eating this one dish, and we were trying to, well, we kind of knew what it was, but I wanted to clarify to make sure I know what it was. So I look at my little dictionary, and I'm all like, I don't remember how to say it in Italian, but I looked in the dictionary, and I asked the lady, hey, I noticed everyone's eating the dish with the pancetta in it. What's the name of the dish with the pancetta? So she comes up to me, and she's like, oh, it's the carbonara. You can get it with the butter, with the oil, with the tomato sauce. And she was like, it's like the best thing we have here. And then this, as she's telling me this, Selena comes down and she was just like, oh, are you coming back here tomorrow? You should order it then. And we go, no, we're going to Venice. And she was just like, oh, wait right here. And walks up and gives us a free plate of the carbonara. I was like, yo, all my practice in Italian led up to this moment right now. Okay, cool. Just wanted to share. All right, bye.